Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video we're gonna talk about the FB ads, WhatsApp ad referral and FB ad referral. So two different triggers that you can make use of in our platform. So first of all, we thank makeyourvisa.com for letting us to record this video since they've been using our platform for a month and so they let us use their workspace to record this video. So we would like to give a shout out to makeyourvisa.com for letting us do this video. So let me explain what exactly this integration is. So this is called click to ads. When you're running ads on your Facebook or on Meta platform, so you have the option to connect or link to a WhatsApp. Like if you have a WhatsApp business account connected and using Cloud API, you can trigger a specific flow. So for example, when somebody click on your specific ad that you're running, so if they click on the specific ad, you can trigger a specific flow for them. You can redirect them to a specific flow. So without much delay, let me show you what exactly it will look like. For example, here you can see this is an FB ad running by makeyourvisa.com. So when I click on this ad is running for a specific niche. Like this is for Dubai visa, like tourist visa. This flow is we're gonna trigger a specific flow for this ad. So when somebody click on it, it will redirect to their WhatsApp business. So when you click on send message, like here you can see hello, can I get more info on this? So when you trigger this, we are only gonna trigger that specific flow for the customer. So because they came from that specific ad, so we only wants to show the specific information related to the ad in the chatbot as well. So this is the main use case. That is why we have this trigger. So this trigger name is called WhatsApp ad referral. So you can do the same thing for your business. So when a customer comes from an ad, you can redirect a specific flow for that customer. So that you know that what is the interest of that user, or you can add a specific tag or label for that customer. So from the live chat perspective, here you can see I came to that specific flow, so that I have added a trigger and a tag. So you can see this user myself is categorized in this particular tag, and I have added a specific label for that customer. So because you can see this user, this is myself, I interacted with the ad, I came from the specific ad, and a specific flow has been triggered. So like that, you can create your own custom audience inside the WhatsApp, and you can categorize, group them, and it will be helpful for you to remarket them, or if you want to do broadcasting, this will be very useful feature. So when you do broadcasting on WhatsApp, you can trigger based on a specific, or you can categorize based on a specific label or tag. So for example, like this, if you're doing that, you will only match the that kind of audience only. You can do a specific broadcasting for them. So this is a use case. Now let's talk about how you can create, or how you can build this for your business. First of all, you need to do an integration. If you go to the dashboard, main dashboard, from integrations tab, if you scroll down all the way down, you will find a section called others. In that, you can find Facebook ads. Just click on it and connect it. Currently, this is our client's workspace. We don't want to share any detailed information, so I'm not gonna click on not gonna show the entire thing. So this is a different workspace. So this is how it will look like. If you click on Facebook ads, you will have an option to connect Facebook ads. So just connect your Facebook account, which you have the ad account has been created and access to it. Just click on it. It will show up the ad account. You can click on select. Then you will see the connected ad account. Then only these features will actually get triggered. So now let's build the flow automation, how you can do it. So let me walk you through the steps how you can do it. First of all, you need to create a specific flow. Like for example, for this use case, we have created a flow here. It's the name of the flow we given is ad FB ads redirect flow. So when you're doing multiple ads for different niches or different categories, so you need to use a condition block like this is how we decide which flow should trigger for this user, like that. So let me explain how this works, or how exactly this entire logic works. So let me show you. First we need to set up the trigger. So what you have to do is go to automation, first go to trigger. From here, new trigger, you can find the trigger called WhatsApp ad referral or FP ad referral. Both triggers you can find. Currently we are FP ad referral is like if you are connected to a messenger app. So when this click on the specific ad on messenger, you can trigger the messenger app, you can trigger a specific flow, but here we are focusing on WhatsApp only. Same logic. So when you click on the WhatsApp ad referral, you can see a trigger has been created and it will be disabled. You can enable it and just map a specific flow so that it will trigger a specific flow. So that let me show you what we have here. We have created a flow, a specific flow for this trigger, and it's connected. Now we need to map a specific value that coming from the this particular ad. So for example, let me show you. So when I click on this, so I'm getting a value. Like, so when you create this trigger, let me go back to the automation. When you click on the trigger, the ad referral, so here you can see you need to set up some variable here. So for example, you are getting a payload, a JSON payload from the FP meta side when somebody is clicking on the trigger or clicking on the ad. So you will getting some value. So I created a variable. Here you can type any variable that you want. Currently we have a variable that we created. For example, in your case, you can create any variable and you can click on test this thing. It will ask you to select a format. You can select the JSON. It will create a JSON variable. Currently we have a variable. I'm gonna use the same variable. I'm not gonna create any. Like that, for message also you can create a specific variable and click on the save button. So I'm not gonna change anything because it's currently already configured and it's working. So once you've done that, so you will get some value like this inside the payload. So we need to map the source type and source ID. The source ID will be unique for each ad. If you are running a different ad, the ID will change, so that based on the ID we can trigger a specific flow. That's why we need to test it out. If you are running multiple ads, every time when you are running this ad, uh, then inside the flow for the user, you can see a specific ID generated. So when you're doing a campaign, you can always preview the ad and you can test it on your feed. Then you can test out the ID, which ID it is coming from. All the information will show up here. So that's how you can test it out. Now let's look at the integration that we done. Let me head back to the flow. So let's go back here. Here you can see I have mapping this data into two variables I created, source and source ID. So inside source ID, I'm mapping the entire value from the that coming from that specific JSON. So here you can see I mapped the source ID here, so that we know source ID. So we know which ad it is. Because you are previewing the ad and testing it on your Facebook account itself, feed. So based on the source ID, you can map this into a specific flow that you want. So like that, if you have multiple ads you are running, you need to map the source ID each case. Based on the source ID value, that condition flow triggers, and you can redirect to a specific flow. So that's it. That's how you can set up this logic. And if you are working on this kind of automation or logic, you need help or assistance regarding this thing, you can always reach out to our support, and we will help you with configuring this and help you with the, if you have any doubts or something, or you are facing any issues, feel free to reach out. We can help you out. You can comment below this video, or if you have finding any problem, or you can directly contact our support through our support channels from our website or anywhere you can reach out to us. We will help you with this integration. Thank you. That's it for the video.